Most gardeners completely underestimate the role of microbes in the soil, and that's why so many of you end up with slow-growing, weak plants that struggle to thrive. You add compost, water regularly, and yet your lettuce still grows at a snail's pace while your neighbors seem to harvest vegetables that look like they belong in a farmer's market. The difference isn't luck. It's soil biology, microbial health, and the way Japanese farmers harness both to push growth rates 3 times higher than the average backyard gardener. And before we dive deeper, make sure to hit subscribe. You don't want to miss practical tips like this that actually improve yields rather than give you fluff. Japanese farmers focus on the life inside the soil, not just the soil itself. Here's the hard truth. Soil without a thriving microbial population is just dirt. Japanese farmers don't just add fertilizer or organic matter, they actively feed and cultivate microbes that convert nutrients into forms plants can immediately use. I've tested this personally with raised beds and small backyard gardens, and the results are dramatic. For instance, adding a microbial inoculant like the Terraganics EM1 and EM Premium Bokashi brand bundle, link in the description, changed my carrot and tomato growth rates noticeably in just a couple of weeks. Alright, so let's talk about how you can actually put this into practice in your own garden. You'll want to start by preparing your soil with a balanced mix of organic matter and minerals, just like the Japanese farmers do. Next, apply the EM1 solution directly onto your soil or compost pile. Give it a good mix, making sure everything is evenly coated. After that, sprinkle in your Bokashi bran. This step, honestly, makes a world of difference because it jump-starts the fermentation process and helps break down organic matter much faster. Remember to keep your compost pile moist but not soggy. If you stick with this method, you'll be well on your way to creating rich living soil that's teeming with beneficial microbes. The EM1 solution introduces millions of effective microorganisms into your soil, improving nutrient uptake, water retention, and root development all at once. Meanwhile, the Bokashi bran accelerates composting and enriches the soil with nutrient-dense humus. These are the exact tools Japanese farmers use to create living, fertile soil. You can't just throw compost in and expect results. I see so many gardeners dumping compost on their beds and expecting explosive growth. Here's the problem. Raw compost is unpredictable. Nutrient availability fluctuates, and some microbes can actually compete with plants for nitrogen in the early stages. Japanese methods emphasize preconditioning the compost and soil so the microbial balance is right from the start. For backyard gardens, I take my kitchen scraps, chop them into 1-inch pieces, mix them with the Bokashi bran, and let it ferment for about 2 weeks in a sealed container. Once that's ready, I incorporate it into the top 6 inches of my beds. For raised beds, I mix 1 part of this fermented compost with 3 parts of a light, well-draining soil mixture, and suddenly my seeds germinate faster and roots go deeper. Even in hydroponics, you can create a microbe-rich environment by inoculating your water with EM1. The plants respond immediately. Proper spacing ensures that every plant has enough room to grow, while consistent watering keeps the soil environment just right for microbes and roots alike. I always try to mimic natural rainfall patterns, which means deep, less frequent watering instead of a little bit every day. And as the organic matter breaks down nutrients, cycle back into the soil, feeding your plants and honestly making the whole system more resilient over time. Plant spacing and root health are non-negotiable. Japanese farmers are meticulous about plant spacing because they know that roots need room to breathe. Overcrowding is a huge reason growth slows in typical backyard gardens. I've tested spacing on lettuces and cucumbers. When I plant seedlings 6 inches apart instead of 4, the difference in leaf mass and root depth within 3 weeks is staggering. Combine proper spacing with microbial-rich soil from EM1 and Bokashi, and you've essentially fast-tracked nutrient access. Every inch of root gets a steady supply of beneficial microbes, which dramatically reduces transplant shock and accelerates growth. Watering isn't just about hydration, it's about microbial survival. Many gardeners think watering is just for the plant, but microbes need the right moisture levels too. Too little water, and they die. Too much, and oxygen levels drop, choking both roots and microbes. In practice, I water raised beds until the top 2 inches are moist, but not soggy. I also mix a diluted EM1 solution into my watering can, about 1 ounce per gallon of water. This ensures the microbes thrive and continue turning nutrients into plant-accessible forms. Even on hydroponic setups, adding EM1 directly to the water improves root health, prevents stagnation, and helps plants take up nutrients 3 times faster than normal water alone. So, as we've seen, applying these methods really does make a difference in plant health and productivity. Observing your plants closely and tweaking your approach based on what you see is key. With just a bit of care and attention, you can get the most out of your soil and your crops season after season. Japanese farmers don't over-fertilize because they understand nutrient cycling. Excess fertilizer is a common mistake that slows growth instead of speeding it up. Nitrogen, for example, is essential, but too much causes weak stems and poor root systems. Japanese growers rely on microbial inoculants to maintain a steady, slow-release nutrient cycle. In my own garden, I've stopped using synthetic NPKs every week. Instead, I apply a thin layer of fermented bokashi compost and follow up with EM1 solution every 2 weeks. The result? Plants grow steadily, roots thicken, and foliage looks healthier without the risk of nutrient burn. Even in smaller backyard setups, a single tablespoon of bokashi bran per square foot mixed into the soil before planting makes a visible difference in the first 10 days. Timing and layering of nutrients make all the difference. Japanese farmers understand that timing is everything. Early-stage seedlings get more easily digestible nutrients, while mature plants benefit from more complex humus and micronutrients. I replicate this by starting seeds in small trays mixed with EM1 diluted water, and once seedlings are established, I transplant them into beds amended with bokashi compost. For hydroponic systems, I time the EM1 additions based on the vegetative stage. Younger plants get lighter doses and more mature plants receive the full-strength solution. The growth rates I've observed in my own backyard were literally 3 times faster compared to conventional methods using only store-bought compost. It's about observation, adaptation, and patience, not guesswork. Japanese farmers don't just follow a rigid formula. They observe the soil, roots, and plant leaves every day. They adjust microbial inputs, water, and nutrient layers based on what the plants are actually showing them. I recommend the same approach. Watch your seedlings for leaf color changes, measure soil moisture regularly, and adjust the amount of EM1 and bokashi accordingly. For small backyard beds, this could mean applying EM1 every week for the first month, then every 2 weeks after that. For raised beds, monitor soil temperature and adjust watering and compost applications to ensure optimal microbial activity. Start integrating microbial inoculants in your garden now. If you're serious about growing faster, healthier vegetables, start small. Even a single square-foot bed enriched with bokashi bran and watered with EM1 will outperform untreated soil in just a few weeks. Over time, these microbes colonize your garden, meaning your plants take up nutrients more efficiently, roots grow stronger, and yields increase consistently. You can find the Terraganics EM1 and EM Premium Bokashi Bran Bundle. In the description, these products are selling fast, and honestly, they're exactly what professional and hobby Japanese growers rely on to triple growth rates. The biggest takeaway here is to forget quick fixes, over-fertilizing, and random watering schedules. So here's the thing. The secret to growing vegetables 3 times faster than average gardeners isn't just luck. It's really about building living, nutrient-rich soil and, maintaining a thriving microbial ecosystem. Japanese farmers are masters at this because they truly understand that soil is alive and plants respond almost immediately when the microbial balance is just right. You can apply this approach in raised beds, backyard plots, or even hydroponics. And honestly, you'll notice the difference in days, not weeks. Proper spacing, careful watering, layered nutrient timing, and keeping up with a consistent microbial regimen, that's what makes your growth rates soar. If you implement even a few of these strategies, especially using EM1 and bokashi compost the way I've described, you'll see faster germination, healthier roots, and, well, much more vigorous vegetables. Your garden will finally start producing like those market-ready crops you've been dreaming of, without you having to spend endless hours troubleshooting. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips useful and you want more practical, experience-tested strategies that really improve your yields, go ahead and subscribe to Farm Logic. Be sure to share this video with your gardening friends who struggle to get results. They'll thank you when their gardens start growing 3 times faster too. And just so you know, the link to the Terraganics EM1 and EM Premium Bokashi brand bundle is in the description. Get your soil thriving, your microbes active, and just watch your vegetables explode with growth.